I really hope this doesn't sound harsh because that's really not my intention. But if we're perfectly honest, how many times have we seen something like this happening? We jump straight into complex felt projects, even though we haven't yet developed a good understanding of the basic forms and how they behave. We follow every step of the instructions and still find that our piece doesn't look or behave like what we expected. The instructor makes the project look effortless, so we don't really understand where the issue is. You see, what's happening here is that we're trying to create the project while also developing the foundational skills it relies on. Unfortunately, this can have the effect of convincing us that wet felting was the wrong choice for us, which is exactly what we don't want to happen. And in fact, the issue may simply be that we haven't yet developed the foundational skills that allow us to concentrate on the new project instead of struggling with the basics at the same time. This is why I believe that investing some time in the building blocks of wet felting before we take on more sophisticated projects can make such a difference. Now, this way of approaching the craft comes not only from my own experience as a self-learner, but also from my 15 years of teaching live and online. So lately I've been investing time in creating a series of classes to help felt makers who are still building their foundations, as well as those who have been felting for a while but feel there are gaps in their foundational knowledge that they don't know how to fill. And today I'm bringing you the new foundational course, Wet Felting Connections, Chords and Chains. As usual, when I launch a new class, I created an early bird offer that is available from now until August 31st. Of course, you can go and take a peek to see what's in the class. I'll be sharing the link down below this video. But let me just give you an idea of what you'll be creating in the class. So there's a module called Rings and Chains, where you'll learn how to felt strong, well-shaped rings and see how you can connect them into chains while exploring how you can get different sizes and shapes, as well as understanding how the felting technique and the shrinkage affect the final result. There's a second module about horizontal connections. In this module, you'll learn how to create two types of clean, strong horizontal connections while planning your layout to achieve neatly finished edges without having to cut them. You'll explore how these connections can be used for handles, as well as decorative and sculptural felt. And the third and final module will be about vertical connections. In this module, you'll learn how to create clean, strong vertical connections while exploring how to keep the chords in position and work with a more complex layout. You'll develop the control needed to achieve a well-felted, secure connection. And by the end of this class, you'll not only have learned a few ways of attaching felt handles, but you'll also have a new way of thinking about how felt elements connect to each other. If this is something you struggle with, this is the right time to sign up for the class. As I've already mentioned, and as I usually do, I've created an early bird offer for this class that will be available from now until August 31st. You can check out all the details about the class by following the link I'm sharing below this video. And if you have any questions, please share them in the comments below and let me know how I can help. I really encourage you to have a look and see if this is something for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.